Good morning, Ilia here, and this time I've got the sunny day breakfast, which is the Eastern European style omelette with fresh cherry tomatoes on the side and Yorkshire tea. I like to have this Eastern European style omelette with uh, eggs and milk. That's what really makes it a bit Eastern European. And I've already done the washing up there because got to have it nice and tidy for the video. So some good that came out of the video. Doing the washing up a bit early. Okay, so to make the omelette, I've whisked up 4 eggs in a bowl, then some salt and pepper, then chopped up some curly parsley. I've still got some more that's fresh from my garden, my tiny little garden. So I've chopped it up, put it in the mix, whisked it again, then some milk, then chopped up some cherry tomatoes, added those, final little whisk, and of course with some salt and pepper in the mix as well, and fried it on the frying pan. And I like to have it with a bit of golden brown on the bottom as well, which is technically a little bit burnt, but I like to have that. It tastes amazing this when it's just golden brown. And got the Yorkshire tea that I like to have with milk and a bit of brown sugar. I think unrefined brown sugar is healthy, so I like to have that. I've still got my various houseplants here. Got the various succulents, which are of course non-edible. Got the salad cress, which is edible, and from the cherry tomatoes I actually took out some seeds and try and grow those in my little garden, and they're just starting to sprout. There's a few shoots just starting to grow under this tissue. As long as I keep it moist, then they should grow nicely. Got the peppermint. Got the flowering Daphne, which just smells amazing, from a tree called Daphne Eternal Fragrance. The bit of curry plant here, got it in a bowl to keep it fresh. Do a bit of cooking with that a bit later, like some curry. And I've got the avocado seed, of course that's not edible, as well, starting to grow some shoots there, and it's growing a nice big root as well. That should grow lovely. I've got to be careful with that, my baby. There we go. And of course still got my orchid there, still waiting for it to grow a proper flowering stem, so I'll try and be patient with that, just wait as long as it needs, try and keep it watered just a little bit. So there we go, the sunny day breakfast, Eastern European style omelette and Yorkshire tea. Gotta enjoy that, nice and healthy. Cheers, good morning.